An original Apple keyboard ended up with this master, but its condition was disappointing. The master was unfazed and started the complete restoration. While he is busy with the work, I will explain why it is important to clean your keyboard regularly. Regular keyboard cleaning is an important aspect of computer care. The primary reason is to enhance hygiene. The keyboard can be a source of dust, debris, and germs accumulation. Regular cleaning helps to eliminate these contaminations and maintain hygienic conditions, especially if you enjoy eating at the computer. Increasing durability, dust and dirt can accumulate under the keys and interfere with their normal operation. Regular cleaning helps prevent breakdowns and damage. And finally, an improvement in performance. Key contamination can lead to sticking or improper response. Regular cleaning helps maintain the normal operation of the keyboard.